Pre-cut aluminum foil sheets. Made from 100% aluminum, these foil sheets are pre-cut for convenience. No cutting, folding or tearing required. Hair foils for color application. These foil sheets feature an embossed design that helps hair to better grip the foil during hair color application and highlighting services. The durable sheets bend to any shape without compromising the integrity of the service. Foil sheets for food. Foil sheets are safe for wrapping food, such as sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers and baked potatoes. Also great for use in air fryers, restaurants, catering, concession stands, school cafeterias and at-home food preparation. Aluminum foil dispenser. Aluminum foil sheets come in a convenient pop-up foil dispenser box that dispenses one sheet at a time. Dual pack includes 2 stacks of 5 foil sheets. Embossed foil sheets. Each foil sheet measures 5 inches W by 10.75 L. Includes 1,000 foil sheets per box. For professional salon use. Aluminum foil sheets are perfect and easy to use for hair color application and highlighting. Highlights hair color. The embossed design provides a better grip while preventing slip and color bleeding. Food safe. Pre-cut foil sheets are food safe. Use foil packets for easy meals on the grill or in the oven to seal in moisture and flavor. Wrap sandwiches, rolls, and snacks. Wrap up sandwiches, snacks, leftovers, and other to-go meals to keep them fresh. Top reviews from the United States. Great foil, great value. Great foil for highlighting hair.